SOE U-turn. Security measure extended despite promise it would have ended this Saturday. Case backlog. Over 1,000 integrity probes underway. And no ban. Tourist authority says Jamaica cannot follow other countries barring U.S. visitors. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, primetime sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your views on elected officials holding government contracts and or acquiring government assets?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.